Hey, it is all here again from Screen Money, and today's video I will show you two sites where you can earn really good money working from home. These two sites are Transcription. You can earn up to $120 per video hour. Now if you like my videos, please click on the subscribe button and the bell notification so you don't miss any of my future videos, and give me a quick like and let's get into it. The Transcription site work from home site that I want to bring you is called Daily Transcription, and they also have their own careers page where you can go on and have a quick look. So as you can see here, are you new to transcribing another big company? I have got a lot of people working from. I have had a look at few reviews, happy people working for them and earning some good money. As you can see here, interested in a transcription career? Are you new to transcribing? Start here. We are excited that you have interested in one of our openings. Daily Transcription provides service to entertainment, corporate and leisure industries as well as to academic institutions. Benefits of working with Daily Transcription: flexibility, create your own schedule, work where and whenever you want. Assignments are paid weekly, where most paid bi-weekly or monthly. We pay higher rates competitors. We pay higher rates than our competitors. RAV, transcription, public scribing, and minimum. Spend more time with family while you earn extra income for your household. For your household, we don't generate a specific amount of work per day or week, but our transcriptionists can make anywhere from $350 per week. We don't generate a specific amount of work per day or week, but our top transcriptionists can make anywhere from $350 to $950 per week. I don't know about you, but $950 is some decent money. So as you can imagine, anything that you do, the better you get, the more work you will get and the more money you will earn. So it might be slow burn at the beginning, but once you could become better at it, you could definitely be looking at earning some really good money. So who are they? Looking for students part-time, teacher and writers, anyone who wants to supplement their income. This is what's so good about transcribing from home. You must be a highly detailed individual who is committed to perfection. As you can imagine, you are transcribing, so obviously that would be a given. Independent workers to meet deadlines, professional novice and beginners are welcome to apply, and obviously they will provide training as well. How to get started? Click on the position you want to apply on the right side navbar of this page. You will be expected to pass a skills assessment test as well as an actual transcription test. Check out the list of below for additional questions. How do I get paid? Furthermore, Daily Transcription pays weekly by check only, unless you are outside of the US or Canada. Other payment arrangements can make. How do I get started with Daily Transcription? Click on the link above to the specific career that interests you, and you will take to a career from. Also, complete the career from and upload a resume. Furthermore, you will be redirected to our skills assessment test transcription. I will get into the next site now. So the next site I want to quickly touch base on is GoTranscript. Now GoTranscript has been around for a very long time. They pay really good money, and they also allow you to work pretty much anywhere all over the world as long as you have a computer. You have got internet connection and you have got the will to earn some really good money. This is definitely for you. So as you can see here, they pay up to 60 cents per video a minute, average monthly earning of $150, and their top monthly earning $11-15. Now you have got to remember that these people are doing this on the side from their jobs in their spare time, while they are studying, while they are looking after their children. Whatever, it is an additional income where you could be earning some really good money. And remember, when you first start off, it will be a slow burn until you get better, just like any jobs that you have ever started before. While you work for GoTranscript, you can work from home and get paid reliably, work flexible hours, receive great support, choose your own projects, grow your skills, enjoy work, variety, stay busy, and obviously transcription jobs online that you can do from home and earn some really good money. Jobs, languages, Arabic, French, Italian, Spanish, German, Indian, and many more. All you have to do is go ahead and start earning really good money from home. Frequently asked questions: what vacancies are available? We are currently only hiring for a transcriber position. What are your payment modes? We pay via PayPal and Pioneer. What is the payment rate? We pay for the job done. The average rate is 60 cents per minute of audio transcript. When will I paid? Payments are generated every Friday. How much do I have to work? As much as you want. This is a freelance job, and minimum you can take a look. And again, the site is called Go Transcript. They want to work for them. You just need to obviously show them that you have the ability to do it. Start off with the similar files and work your way up to the bigger end and other files that paying a little bit more. So do you need experience to become a transcriber? You don't need to have any experience. You just need to have good English skills and internet connection to pull off those jobs, and you will be fine. Now this particular site says, do you hire worldwide? Yes, they hire anyone worldwide. It doesn't matter where you live. Have a look at the site and just see which ones are based only majority of them you can do pretty much anywhere in the world. Some of them you need to be able to speak their native language, and I think those one there that you need to speak their language, but primarily a lot of these sites you can do anywhere, and they are pretty confident in that it's enough time, and obviously their studios it is enough time. When and how will I get my test results? We review both English and foreign language applications manually. You can also check your application's status from the test page. If you see the audio file and your previous submission, if you are accepted, the error message will say you are a transcriber. You don't need to do that test. You will also get to see the work section when you are accepted. If I fail, can I take the test again? Yes, you can use the same account to take the test again. Do not create multiple accounts, as this will get your application declined automatically. Alright, so jump on the site and have a look at the rest of their frequently asked questions. I hope you like my video, and I hope that these sites bring you a lot of success. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope this video helped you, and make sure to hit a like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out any videos about to make extra money online.